back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. And I am super excited. Before we dive in, I just want to say thank you so much for being here, being a part of our channel. I love commenting back and forth with you guys. You know, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you're new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you. So why not join our little YouTube family? So this item, or items, I'm super excited about, and as you can see from the description, it is a Tarte order. So, and I know I said, okay, I've already posted another video by the time you're watching this, because I said I was going to post 2 today because I was a little behind. And in that video I said I had a little bit of retail therapy, and it was my Bath and Body Works video. Well, the thing is when I went to leave, this was on my doorstep, and I'm like, oh my god, I want to open it so bad. But I waited. I have waited. I brought it in and set it down so I could open it on camera and let you guys see my actual, like, first reaction to this product online. It looks amazing. But anyway, we have the Tarte order today. I love Tarte. And the kisses. Okay. Sorry, like I said, I'm being goofy and I'm silly, and we're going to open her up. Hello, Tartlet. Rethink Natural. This almost opened like a subscription box, y'all. Alright, so, and you see the pretty purple Tarte paper. Tarte always packages their shipments so well. So let's see. Everything is in. Okay, so it's all. So something falling. It's all wrapped up in here. So. Goodness. Okay. So what is this? Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. All right. So first we'll just start with, they always have you where you can select a couple little samples. This is the Tarte, it's got the shade Glisten of the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush on one side, and on the other side it has the Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Matte Waterproof Bronzer. And this is the little sand, it's an eye treatment. It is Maracuja Sea Brightener. I don't know if I said that correctly. And then the third and final little sample is the Tarte Drink of H2O Moisturizer. And I actually have this product, and it is amazing. I love it because it's, you can tell it really is kind of water-based because it's just so smooth and silky, and it's not thick, but it makes your skin feel amazing. So this stuff is awesome. Anyway, so I had some points I cashed in because I thought this was really awesome. I'm gonna save the actual big, great, wonderful thing for the end and show you the other stuff first. So this, like I said, I had points, so I cashed it in, and you see it's just this like round, it says Tarte. But what's really awesome is basically, like, you go like this and you can put your makeup in there, and then you draw it up and you have a little bag. Like, perfect for travel, because I don't know about you guys, but when we go on vacations, I definitely like having something like, oh, you know what? Y'all probably couldn't even see the Tarte because of this clear label. Right there. Tarte. But I love how this one lays completely flat, so I can kind of, you know, have a good amount of makeup and look at it, but then it folds up and it doesn't take up an enormous amount of room. So like I said, I cashed my points in. We are going to Las Vegas in the first week of February. We go every year, so I'm excited to use this. And that, like I said, that was free. I used points that I had. The next item I'm very happy about, but at the same time, I'm a little about, because this is my absolute all-time favorite setting spray. It is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. It's a 4-in-1, and it is so amazing. You can't really, it's not showing up that great. But the problem is, every time I go to buy the full size, it's out of stock. And I had a 25% off with this order, and I was like, oh, you know, that'll make the big one like $18. You can't beat that. But it was out of stock, and I waited a couple of days, kept checking, and it was still out of stock. So I just went with the travel size because it'll get me through for now, because I actually finished my other bottle this morning. So this will last me a good little bit, and hopefully they'll get it back in stock. So now for the yay. I saw it, I was like, I really, really want it. I talked to my husband, and he said, go ahead, because he really is great. He just really is a wonderful guy. He, you know, works hard every day, usually 6 days a week. I mean, there's times he's not home till after 9 o'clock at night, and he gets up at 4:30, and he's out the door by 5. And you know, he works so hard. I don't work because of my rheumatoid arthritis and fibromyalgia. So, you know, everything kind of falls on him as far as finances, and he, like I said, he works so hard, and he is just so wonderful, and he still finds the time, even working as hard as he does and as the long hours, to take Christopher to Cub Scouts and do different things like that. So he's really awesome. I definitely have a keeper there. But he also spoils me and Christopher both very much. So, you know, he's just a sweetheart. So, this was something I had been wanting, and I did tell him, I was like, well, I have 25% off, and he's like, well, then go ahead and order it. So, thanks, honey. He watches my videos sometimes, so. But it is the Tarte Sweet Escape Collector Set. This is, I believe, more for like the holidays. They have the other one is the Pineapple of My Eye or something like that. But you guys, it's $49, but it says it's a $364 value. And the 25% off coupon I had worked on this. I want to say it ended up only being like 30-some dollars. Like, it was not much. And you guys, it is so pretty. Ah, it's all sparkly. All right. Well, now we got, okay, I just pulled it up. Whew, I was about to say, I don't know how to open it. But when you open it, first of all, it has one of my favorite sayings. I love pineapples. I mean, I like the actual fruit, but as far as like sometimes decor, you know, just cute little things. But the saying of stand tall, wear a crown. I love that with the pineapple. But it came with 2 blushes, a highlighter, and a bronzer here. And right here it has, you know what? I don't remember how many eyeshadows it has, but they're all absolutely gorgeous, and I think it's a great variety of colors. So I'm so happy about that. And then it also came with a full-size, the Man-Eater eyeliner, the deluxe size of the Maneater mascara, and then it came, and I don't remember the color, so we're going to take it out and look, of the Tarte Butter Lipstick. But here are the eyeliner and the mascara. Oh, you guys, seriously, these colors. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. All right. Oh, I love this. This is a great neutral, beautiful. I tend to go with the more nudes or stuff. Every now and then, you guys know I might pop on that red, but what is the name of this color? Naughty Nude. Naughty like nautical, N-A-U-T-I, Naughty Nude. I like that. So, yeah. Yay for the, ooh, what was this again? I keep forgetting the name of it. Sweet Escape collector set. So, yay, I can feel like I'm on a tropical vacation when I do my makeup. But then again, like I said, I love the package. It is kind of, obviously, you know, a little bulkier and bigger than a normal palette, but I just thought it was beautiful. And even with, I mean, it does have the eyeshadows, it has the blushes, the bronzer, the highlighter, and then the eyeliner, mascara, and lipstick. I'm sorry, you guys. So I love it. I think it's gorgeous, and yay. So that was my Tarte order. And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I hope you all, like I said, are having an absolutely amazing day. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. Leave a comment down below if you like Tarte, if you have purchased this, you want, you know, you're thinking about it, and then I can let you guys know after I actually use it what it's like. But this, you guys, if you're looking for a setting spray, setting mist, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea is a 4-in-1. It is amazing. I'm telling you right now, it is the absolute best setting spray ever. And it smells really good too. So, again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I love talking with you guys. Otherwise, I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will see you with the next video. Bye.